Today we're installing the vent extenders for a Polaris General exclusively sold at OnlyGenerals. You have everything you need here in this handy carrying case. 2 vent extenders,
along with 2 fastening strips used to fix it to your dash.
No tools required. These vent extenders work on OEM and Inferno heaters. And the greatest thing about them is that it doesn't matter what kind of windshield you have. A tip out, one with air vents, or a fixed windshield, you don't need to remove the windshield to install them. Installation is easy as 1, 2, 3.
First, remove the backing from one side of the fastening strip.
Then, affix that sticky side to the back of the vent extender so that you are ready to move on to the side-by-side install.
Step number 3, remove the secondary backing from the fastening strip.
Placing the vent extender over top of the heater vent, starting from the front and affixing in the back. Press firmly to make sure there's good contact. If you have a tip-out window or one like we have here with air vents, you can also press on from the other side, but it's not necessary. Now that your vent extenders have been installed, you can be sure all your hot air is being directed where you need it the most, on the windshield. And the installation for the other side is exactly the same. Peel off the Velcro backing, place it over the heat vent, starting from the front, and press firmly in place.